Kalau TREL tu trees. Hello friends, good morning. Today I want to show you the trees. To all of you, please comment what is the name of the trees. Subscribe, like and share with other friends. Let's go. This flower is yellow. He don't have a leaf. He has a water in the flower. And one more is purple, pink, like purple pink. It has flowers. He has a water in her flowers. Also like this one, but is I don't say. Tu pula tu. Hey boy. Ada vlog. Siap. Hai. Hai kawan-kawan, kejaplah. Hai kawan-kawan, selamat pagi. Hari ini saya hendak tunjuk pokok pada kawan-kawan. Kawan-kawan komen apa nama pokok itu. Subscribe, like dan share dengan kawan-kawan yang lain. Jom kita pergi. Dadah. Satu. Daun ia berat dan ia warna hijau. Apakah nama pokok ini? Apakah pokok besar ini?
Sini.
Saya tak suka duduk tempat ni. What's name of this flowers? I don't know if flowers or trees. You need to comment. What's name of this? His leaf is green, and he has a little bit yellow stairs. Akif. Okay. What's name of this flowers? Her flower is like pink.